we have sent out an open invitation that this is a movement that must move and move with everybody. We have called out our brothers from Mount Kenya region, from the coast, from the lake region, from northern Kenya, from every corner and nook of this country. And I can tell you, the list of those who are showing positive and tremendous interest is thoroughly impressive.
Our technical teams have been working and we are here to join them. Our parliamentary leaders are also here. So great bonding, yeah, easy time, and always guided by the great future we all wish for our country.
Seen from some quarters of our colleagues, particularly from ODM in Luo Nyanza in particular, bringing attacks on the chair of IEBC, Honorable Wafula Chebukati, and as parliamentarians, we are getting worried. Why at a time like this, they want the removal of Chebukati? We are telling them, yes, bring it on. The law is very clear. You bring a petition in Parliament. And we are going to defend Chebukati to the letter. Chebukati is very objective. He has been working under difficult conditionalities in terms of the number of commissioners. Because if you remember, the critical report said, for you to have credible elections, the IEBC must be in place at least 24 months to elections.